As Mecool surge in popularity for their tactile response and speed, Android TV boxes are seeing a similar rise in demand for home entertainment. From cord cutters to binge watchers, users are seeking reliable streaming devices that offer 4K resolution, Dolby support, AI enhancements, and seamless interfaces. This guide evaluates the operating system, processing power, content certification, like Netflix or Dolby, user interface, and value across top Android TV box models. List number: NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro Streaming Media Player. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is often dubbed the gold standard of Android TV boxes, and for good reason. Equipped with 4K HDR support, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and AI-powered upscaling, this device transforms ordinary HD content into something that looks close to native 4K. It runs on the powerful Tegra X1 Plus chip, ensuring buttery-smooth performance across apps, games, and smart home integration. List number: Mecool KM2 Plus, Android 11.0 TV box, 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM, Netflix certified. The Mecool KM2 Plus is an excellent mid-range Android TV box certified by Netflix, ensuring native 4K playback, something many budget options lack. Running on Android 11.0, it includes Google Assistant, Dolby Atmos, and AV1 codec support for efficient streaming. The 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage are sufficient for streaming apps like YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and more. Its interface is clean and intuitive. List number 3. Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen 4K Ultra HD Streaming Media Player. The Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen is one of the best affordable Android TV boxes for those who want performance, simplicity, and value. Supporting 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Audio, and Google TV OS, it's perfect for casual streamers and minimalists. Powered by 2GB RAM and 8GB storage, it handles Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, and more with ease. The interface is modern and clean, and voice search via Google Assistant makes navigating fast and easy. List number: Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen with Google TV, 2GB RAM, 8GB ROM. Another version of Xiaomi's TV Box S 2nd Gen. This model is virtually identical but emphasizes the seamless integration with Google TV, offering content recommendations and personalization. You get 2GB RAM, 8GB storage, and support for 4K HDR content. It also includes Dolby and DTS audio, Chromecast, and a slick voice-activated remote. This is the ideal pick for users in the Google ecosystem who want a snappy. List number 5. On an Android TV 4K UHD streaming device. Voice remote, Google Assistant. Walmart's On an Android TV box is the ultimate budget-friendly pick. Despite the low cost, it delivers 4K UHD streaming, Google Assistant, and Chromecast support. It includes a voice-enabled remote and a stock Android TV interface that avoids unnecessary bloatware. The remote is well-designed with Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+ shortcuts, making it user-friendly for all ages. While the internal hardware, RAM storage, may be more limited than premium models,